invoice number V7375. Today is June 8th, 2022. We are video inspecting the clothes dryer vent. So what we have here is, looks like a bag of insulation, or the roll of insulation, quite possibly. I'm thinking that's what it is. I don't think it's plywood. I mean, there's a possibility it can be. But the dryer is sealed off, so it doesn't go to its point of exit. And you can see how impacted this lint is all the way around. Feet. It does appear to be ovalized in here too. That's 6 feet. To 9 feet. It goes into a box. I don't really know if you can see it. It goes into a box, so we're approximately 9 feet up, and then we run into a blockage. Multiple defects are observed, and that concludes the video inspection for the clothes dryer. We'll try to locate this further inside the home. Let's see if we can find the point of access to this vent, and also see potentially if there's another option to reroute.